For the first one, number one, we have 6 over 9 times 6 over 6. So I could divide any of the 6, 6 here 1, 6 here 1. Then we have 1 times 6, which is 6. Then 9 times 1, which is 9. So all I have here is now is 6 over 9. I can divide it with 3. 3 in 6, that's 2. And 3 in 9, that's 3. You understand, right?
Yeah.
Then the second one, we have 2 over 3 times 4 over 9. Okay, like this, nothing above can divide anything at the bottom. So 2 times 4 is 8, and 3 times 9 is 27. This is in the simplest form. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Then number 3, 6 over 9 times 4 over 12. 6 over 9 times 4 over 12. 4 can divide 12. So I can say 4 here, 1, 4 here, 3. And 3 can divide 6, okay?
Mhm.
Then I can say 3 here, 1, 3 here, 2. So what's at the top now? 2 times 1, which is 2. And at the bottom, 9 times 1, which is 9. Is this clear to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, go to the next one. Let's see. Number 4. For number 4, I have 4 over 12 times 4 over 12. 4 over 12 times 4 over 12. Don't just multiply straight. Firstly, see if they can divide themselves, okay?
Okay.
Let me try to write that for you. 4 over 12, 4 over 12 times 4 over 12. So this is going to be 4a 1, 4a 3. That's 1 over 3. Then the second one is also 4a 1, 4a 3. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Then I have 1 times 1, that's 1. Then 3 times 3, that is 9. Is that clear?
Mm-hmm.
Um, the next one, number 5. So you understand that 4 over 12 is 1 over 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So number 5 is 4 over 9 times 2 over 6. 4 over 9 times 2 over 6. So I have, um, I can cut this down too, okay?
Mm.
So 2 here, 2, and 2 here, 3, okay? And I think
Yeah.
that's the only thing that can cut. So 2 times 2 is going to give me 4, and 9 times 3 is going to give me 27. So this is the simplest form. Then number 6, I have 8 over 12 times 6 over 3. 6 over 3 is not a fraction because 6 over 3 is 2. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So what I will just do is this 3 here 1, 3 here 2. Then I can cut the 2 also. 2 here 1, 2 here 6. So finally, I have 8 over 6, okay?
Yeah.
Which can be reduced as well to 2 here 4 and 2 in 6. Wait a minute. 2 in 6 is 3. So I have 4 over 3, which will give me one whole number, 1 over 3. Is that clear?
Yeah.
One whole number, 1 over 3. So let's see. Okay, I think. Let me allow you to put this down, then we'll continue, okay?
Okay.
I think, yeah. It says 10 over 12 times 6 over 6 again, okay? 10 over 12, that's number 7, times 6 over 6. So we have 6 cancelling 6, okay?
Okay.
Then we have only 10 over 12 left. And the 10 over 12 can be reduced to 2 in 10 is 5, and 2 in 12 is 6. So we have 5 over 6. Then number 8. we have 8 over 9 times 8 over 15. So if we look at this, we will see that there's no number at the top that anything can divide and still divide number at the bottom. So 8 times 8 is 64. Then we need 9 times 15. What is 9
What's the
times
cell? Actually,
15?
wait, on the top
That
of my
should
head,
be that should be 135.
is it?
Yeah, 135, okay.
Mm.
So nothing is common to
Oh yeah, you're
them.
right. Yeah,
Since nothing is common to all of this, then nothing is common to those ones that were multiplied. Then number 9, we have 6 over 15 times 4 over 3. 3 can divide 6, so we divide it. 3 here 1, 3 here 2. So nothing is common again. 2 times 4 is at the top, that's 8, and 15 times 1 is at the bottom. Then number 10. For number 10, we have 4 over 12 times 8, bless you, times 8 over 15.
okay,
So we can divide 8 and 12 by 4. 4 here 2, 4 here 3. So nothing is common again. We have 4 times 2, that's 8. 3 times 15, that's 45. Is that clear to you?
yeah,
Then number 11. Let me try this. Number 11, we have 10 over 12 times 10 over 9. Okay, we can divide the 10 and 12 by 2. So 2 here, 5, 2 here, 6. We can also divide the other 10 and the 6. 2 here, 5, 2 here, 3. Okay,
okay.
so 5 times 5 at the top, that's 25. 3
25.
times 9 at the bottom, that's 27. So that settles the first group. Now to the second group, number 1. 8 over 9 times 6 over 10. Now let's look at what can divide.
Yeah,
2 can divide
it's,
uh,
yeah,
2 can divide 8 and 10. Okay, here
yeah,
we have 4, here we have 5. And 3 can divide 6 and 9. Here we have 2, not 3. Then here we have 3. So at the top we have 4 times 2, that's 8. At the bottom we have 3 times 5, that is 15. Is that clear?
yeah,
Then the second one, 2 over 6 times 3 over 12. 3 over 12 is 1 over 4 because 3 here 1, 3 here 4. Then 2 can divide the 4. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So what number is at the top? Only 1 and 1, which is 1. Then 6 times 2 at the bottom, which is 12. Is that clear?
yeah,
Then number 3. For number 3, we have 4 over 9 times 6 over 16. So 4 can divide 16. We have 4 here 1, 4 here 4. Are you watching this?
yeah,
Then we have 3 here 2, 3 here 3. So at the top, there is still 4 at the top that can divide 2. So 2 here, that can divide 4. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So what do we have at the top? 1 times 1. And at the bottom, 3 times 2. Is this clear to you?
yeah,
Okay. Then number 4. For number 4, I have 12 over 5, which is improper, times 5 over 12. So since these are inverse, it's going to give us 1 because 12a 1, 12a 1. Are you watching this?
yeah,
Then 5a 1, 5a 1. So everything is 1 over 1, which is 1. Then number 5, we have 4 over 15 times 5 over 4. Look at this, 4a 1, 4a 1. Then 5a 1, 5a 3. So at the top is 1 times 1, at the bottom is 3 times 1. Is that clear?
yeah,
Now number 6. For number 6, we have 8 over 20 times 10 over 12. So 4 can divide 8 and 12. 4 here 2, 4 here 3. 10 can divide 20, right? 10 here 1, 10 here 2. 2 can divide 2, yes or no?
Yes.
So 2 here 1, 2 here 1. What number is left at the top? 1 times 1. And at the bottom, 1 times 3. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Now, number 7, we have 4 over 15 times 3 over 18. 3 over 18 is the same as 1 over 6. So 3 here 1, 3 here 6. Then 2 can divide both 4 and 6. 2 here 2, 2 here 3. So at the top, I have 2 times 1. At the bottom, I have 15 times 3. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So then okay, let me give you some time to write this down. Once you're through with this page, we'll continue.
All of that.
You said all of them, right?
Yeah.
Is it not part of your assignment?
It is. Yeah. Yeah.
So put them down, okay? Just make sure you write them
Awesome.
very well. So the remaining part of this number 8, we have question 8, which is the one under here. We have 14. um, We have 14 over 15 times 15 over 38. Now, if you look at this carefully, you'll see that 14 can, 15 here 1, 15 here 1, okay?
Okay.
Then the other one that is 38, we can divide it by 2 here 7 and 2 here 19. So what we have left is 7 times 1 and 1 times 19. That's the answer to that one. Then number 9, we have 14 over 18 times 18 over 38. Wait, okay,
Okay.
so 18 can cancel 18, then 2 here 7, 2 here 19 again. So the answer is still 7 over 19. Then number 10 is 28 over 10 times 15 over 20. Look at this carefully, please concentrate. I'm hearing some sound, swishing sound or something. So now here, 4 can divide here to give us 7. 4 can divide here to give us 5. Then 5 can divide 15 to give us 3. 5 can divide here to give us 2. So we now have 7 times 3, which is 21, and 2 times 5, which is 10. Then how many 10 is in 21? That's two whole number, 1 over 10. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Then number 11, which is final to that other aspect, we have 24 over 6, which is not a fraction but a whole number 4, then times 6 over 36. And 6 over 36 is the same as 1 over 6. So we can say um, 6 here 1, 6 here 4. Then I can use 4 here 1, 4 here 9. So the answer I have is 6 over 9, which can be reduced to 2 over 3 if I divide it by 3. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Then the other category, question 1 again, one whole number, 1 over 10 times 4 over 7. You will change it to improper fraction, it becomes 11 over 10 times 4 over 7. So 4 and 10 can be divided by 2. This becomes 5. Then we have 11 times 2 is 22, and 5
Mm.
times 7 is 35. And this is the answer to that one. Then,
No question.
what did you say?
Okay, that man's fine.
Okay. Then number 2, we have one whole number, 3 over 12 times 12 over 4. 12 over 4 is also 3. But let's change this to 12 times 1, that's 12, plus 3, that's 15 over 12 times 12 over 4. So we can say 4 here 1, or even 12 can cancel the 12 instead of the 4 and 12. So 12 here 1, 12 here 1. So we now have 15 over 4. How many 4 is in 15? That's 3, which is 12. Then remainder 3 over 4. Now number 3. We have 1 over 10 times 6 over 5. This is going to be 11 over 10 times 6 over 5. Now if you look at this, you can divide 6 and 10 by 2. This gives us 5, this gives us 3. So we have 11 times 3, that's 33. 5 times 5, that's 25. So 25 in 33 is 1 whole. So if you remove 25 from 33, what do you have? That's 33 minus 25. That's what?
23 minus 25.
That's 8. So this would be 8 over 25. Then the next one, let's see, we have, that's number 4, 2 whole 1 over 10 times 6 over 5. No, times 10 over 8, not 6 over 5. I was looking at. So times 10 over 8. You will change this. This becomes 21 over 10. Do you understand how we change it to 21? Do you understand how it became 21?
Mm-hmm.
So then 10 here 1, 10 here 1. Then we have 21 over 8. So how many 8s can I see here? That's 2, which is 16. So 16 minus 21, 21 minus 16 gives us what? That's 5 over 8. Then number 5, we have 203 over 10 times 12 over 6, and 12 over 6 is already 2. So this is 23 over 10 times 2, because 12 over 6 is 2. Then we can cut the 2 and divide the 2 and the 10 by 2. So this is 1, this is 5. We have 23 over 5, which is how many 5 is in 23? That is 4, that 3 over 5. Then the next one, number 6. So for number 6, we have 302 over 6. Are you watching this?
Yeah.
Times 12 over 2. 12 over 2. 12 over 2 is the same as 6. 12 over 2 is 6. So 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 2, that is 20 over 6 times 6. Then you 6 here 1, 6 here 1. So the answer is 20. Then number 7, we have 302 over 8. 302 over 8 times 12 over 7. So we have to change this. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 2, that is 26 over 8 times 12 over 7. So 4 can divide 12, that's 3. Here, that's 2. Then 2 can divide 26, that will be 2. Here, 1. And 2 in 26, that's 13. So we have 13 times 3, which is 39. Then we have 1 times 7, which is 7. So how many 7 is in 39? That's 5, which is 35. Remainder 4 over 7. Is this clear to you?
Yeah.
Then Let's go to the next page, which is from number 8 to the bottom. So this from number 8, we have, then it should now remain only one column. So question 8, we have 3 whole number 2 over 5 times 20 over 6. So 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2, that's 17 over 5 times 20 over 6. So 5 and 20, we can divide them by 5, 1 here and 4 here. Then um, 6 and 4 can be divided by 2, here 3, here 2. Then we have 17 times 2 at the top, which is 34, and 3 times 1 at the bottom, which is 3. So how many 3 is in 34? That is 11, which is 33, remainder 1 over 3. Then number 9, we have 104 over 16 times 16 over 4. If we change this to improper, 16 times 1 plus 4, that is 20 over 16 times 16 over 4. Then 16 can divide 16 to give us 1, and 20 can be divided by 4 to give us 5. So our final answer is 5 times 1, which is 5. And number 10, we have 304 over 12 times 21 over 3. Bear in mind that 21 over 3 is 7. So 12 times 3 is 36. 36
Shadow.
plus 36 plus 4 is what? 40 over 12 times 21 over 3. So what number can divide themselves, like I said? 3 here 1, 3 here 7. So we have 40 times 7. That is 280 over 12. We can divide them by 4. 4 here 3, 4 here 7. So 70 over 3. How many 3 is in 7? 1 remain, 2 remainder 1. So how many 3 here? That's 3. Then remainder 1 over 3. So this is the answer to this. And the final one on this stage, we have 305 over 18 times 12 over 3. 12 over 3 is 4. But what is 18 times 3? That's 54. And 54 plus 5 is what? 59 over 18 times 12 over 3, which is 4. Okay?
Yeah.
12 over 3 is 4. So we can divide 18 and 4 by 2. 2 here, 2, 2 here, 9. So we now have 59 times 2, then over 9. What is 59 times 2? Yes, what is 59 times 2?
Um, um,
50 times 2 is what? 100. 9 times 2 is 18. So
118.
59 times 2 is 118. So we have 59 times 2, which is 118 over 9. So how many 9 is in 11? That's 1, remainder 2. How many 9 in 28? That is 3, which is 27. Remainder 1 over 9. Okay? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Then the last set of questions before we round up for today. Starting from this question 1 to this question 1 to whatever it is. 1 to 8 first. So let's put it here. So for this new set of questions, we have question 1, that is 2 whole 6 over 7 times 1. This is just the same as 2 whole 6 over 7. Nothing to do with this, okay?
Yeah.
Then question 2, 203 over 7 times 1. This is just the same as 203 over 7 because it's multiplied by 1. Is that clear?
Mm-hmm.
Then 104 over 6 times 2. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 4, that is 10 over 6 times 2. Then we can divide 6 and 2 by 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 3. So we now have 10 over 3, which is how many 3? That's 3 whole number 1 over 3. Is this clear to you?
Yeah.
Then number number 4. For number 4, we have 107 over 8 times 1, and this is the same as 107 over 8. No need to multiply. Number 5, we have 205 over 15 times 2, which is 15 times 2 is 30 plus 5. That is 35 over 15 times 2. Then I can divide by 3, I mean by 5. 5 here 3, 5 here 7. So 7 times 2 is 14 over 3. So how many 3 is in 14? That is 4, which is 12. Remember 2 over 3. Then from number 6 downward, let's move this one. Then the remaining part here is going to be moved down to this place. So I'm going to send you all of this solution once we are through, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So to this one, question 6. We have 1 whole 4 over 9 times 1. The answer does not change. 1 whole 4 over 9. Then number 7, we have 2 whole 5 over 16 times 2. So this is going to be 16 times 2, that is 32. 32 plus 5, that's 37 over 16 times 2. So 2 can divide 16 to give us 8. Then we have 37 over 8. How many 8 is in 37? That's 4, which is 32, given the 5 over 8. Then question number 8,
8.
we have 2 over 1 over, is this 1 over 10 or 1 over 19?
That's that's 1 over 19.
1 over 19, okay. So 2 over 1 over 19 times 2. So here we have 19 times 2 is 38, and that's 39 over 19 times 2. Unfortunately, there is nothing that can divide themselves here, so I mean, separate this place so that you don't get it confused when you're writing. So with this, we have, this is 39 times 2. What's 39 times 2? That's 78 over 19, okay?
Okay.
So how many 19 is in 78? That's going to be 4, which is 76, okay?
Yeah.
Remainder 2 over 19. And this next one, I have number 9, which is 1 over 10 over 12 times 1. The answer does not change, 10 over 12. Then number 10, we have 5, 4 over 11 times 2. 11 times 5 is 55 plus 4, that's 59 over 11 times 2. So 59 times 2 again is what? 118, right?
Mm-hmm.
Over 11. So how many 11 is in 11? That's 1. 11 cannot go in 8, that's 0. Then remainder 8 over 11. Then number 11, which is the last question there. We have 108 over 11 times 5. 11 times 1 is 11 plus 8, that's 19, okay?
Okay.
11 times 5. So what's 19 times 5? That's 95, okay?
Okay.
Divided by 11. So how many 11 is in 95? That's 8, which is 88, okay? Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
So 95 minus 88 will give us 7 over 11. And this comes to the end of the whole exercise, okay?
Okay.
Let me confirm from Muji if she has any school assignment. If she doesn't have, then I'll just send this to you and we round up because it might be late for our own class already.
Okay. Class
But if
stuff.
she, yeah, ask her. But if she has any school assignment, then
Actually,
she can
I
bring
can
it.
check on the Google Classroom. I can check on the Google Classroom.
Okay, just check if she has any.